Hello guys, my name is UnlimitedCop and welcome back to another episode of Life of a Sneaker Reseller. As always guys, I want to be keeping the intro pretty short. If you guys do enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button for more content. Also guys, at the time of making this clip, we are very close to 20,000 subscribers, which is honestly just mind-blowing guys. So if you haven't subscribed and you're enjoying the series, please consider doing so. Also guys, be sure to let me know what your favorite part of the video was down in the comment section below. Without any further ado guys, I hope you do enjoy. We're about to cook. I have to turn it up a little bit so the audio can hear it.
Dude, what the hell?
It's not a rain, man. This is not fun. Get in here.
Going for the chair, yes sir. We're going for the chair. 28 people, bro. What?
Damn.
Dude, I'm recording this, bro. What is going on? Yo, what's up, everyone? Chat's going insane.
This is dope, bro. Tell me this is dope. What up, Darkin? Alright, at 10 minutes after, we'll do like a Q&A like we usually do. We started doing it. Alright, boys, get in here. Get them to 50 people, and I'll give away how many plans? 3. I'll give away 1 gigabytes. Get in 50 people, okay? Here's the link. 50 people, 25 likes on the stream, okay? And subscribe if you want for good luck. I don't know. That's funny. Are you guys subscribing to him? You really should.
I'm on UnlimitedCop's.
What about we? That's dope. I'll subscribe to him. You guys should too. Alright. we'll come back to a stream for sure. We got minute 20. Auto checkout, autofill. Good luck, guys. Alright. Good luck, boys. Autofill. Due to high traffic, they're unable to process my order at the time. My autofill's getting me clapped. And Cyber's not responding.
A few moments later.
Sold out. Processing payment. Damn, it's sold out. I can't even see. Payment failed. Love that. Let's go, dude. Bring back the good Supreme days, dude. The guy that caught. Hey, let's go back to the stream. Alright. Let's go back. Get the f in here, boys. Get in here. Get in there. Alright. Yeah.
Yo, thank you for posting in the links, dude. Oh my goodness.
But I don't know where. Nobody showed up, so I don't know what's happening. But
Sir, I cooked. I need VLOX, bro.
I didn't cook.
But yeah, I need VLOX.
Good luck, guys. Surely, one out of these 500 something tasks has to get through, right? Oh dang, bro. I was so small. Hold on, there we go. So they blocked Splash Force, but now we're sitting in Splash. We're going good. 500 tasks. Boys, did I tell you I want to hit? I want to. Size out of stock. Damn, I can't open these. Nothing carded yet. Dude, I'm so tired. I hope I get some. Dude, why can't I get through like a low key? I have so many tasks in here. Search my, I'm in a big ass server which is a bunch of people that cook. Nobody's hit. Yeah, no checkouts. No, I haven't copped shit. Has anybody copped? Just got 1 checkout? Yeah, nobody's copped, bro. I mean, if somebody has, very few. And of course, we're dropping frames. Oh shit, I still have Q&A time up here. That's awkward. That's gonna be in the clip on my YouTube channel. Yeah, f this, I'm done. I don't know, guys. Oh, I'm checking out. Thank God, dude. Cyber's doing work. I checked out 1 on Champs, 1 on Foot Locker, 1 on Foot Locker. Probably gonna get clipped. Boys, this is not, I mean, it's going my way. I copped some pairs, but like, yeah, I copped a couple. I'm stopping this so I can focus on these Yeezys. I'm hitting, but it's not logging. It's not changing anything. It's all stuck on add in a cart, but it's going through. I'm fucking stupid for stopping my cyber task. Not a good move. Not a good look, boys. Success. Oh, I got another one. Oh, that's the grade school one. I don't know how I got that. Submitting order. Got another one. Got another one. Oh shit, I just got a shitload. Do I want these grade schools? 4.5? 4.5's hitting numbers, hell yeah. Hit another one. I've gotten quite a few. At 11, I would have had 12. Cyber's hitting hard. Using Cyber and Omni proxies. Here's another one. That's 12. These are nice. These are doing fire, boys. Holy shit, dude. I've been so stressed out about this drop. Next drop, I'll be a lot more prepared. I'm gonna hit so many. Finally got my setup right. You guys used to see I didn't hit shit. I would do so bad, but I finally critiqued my setup. So I fully believe I can hit 40 pairs. Okay, maybe not 40, that's a little much, 30 pairs at least. There's another one. Champs. Oh, I guess we can see sizes here. We got a size 10, size 4, 4.5, 10, 4. That's it. Well, that's it for here. I'm doing pretty damn good, boys. Payment declined. Dude, Tower usually does work for me. I don't know why. None of my checkouts are logging. But we'll see. Declined. Love to see that. I already hit. It went through. That was my 15th one. Was it on here or was it on Cyber? I'm doing pretty well, boys. Pretty well. In fact, I don't think I missed a foot site drop with Cyber, right? Because I hit all the Kobe's. I hit pretty much everything. I'm about to go try to find a Travis Scott meal. This is kind of an interesting clip for the video. I don't really know why I'm doing this. So I decided I'd try to go find one and see what it's about. I'm really tired and hungry, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, we're pulling up here, boys. We're about to order.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
Hi, do you guys have the Travis Scott meal?
I'm sorry?
Do you have the Travis Scott meal?
Yes, we are.
I'll take one of those, please.
Alright, what for the drink?
Sweet tea.
Total's gonna be $6.54 first window.
Thank you. I was gonna be kind of surprised if they didn't have it, because I live like in a small ass town. I gotta figure out how to record now. Thank you. Yep. So we're now waiting for the burger, I guess you said, to cook. I don't know. This is like the first time I've been to McDonald's in like probably a year at least. I'd never eat here. Thank you. So here it is. Looks just like a basic Happy Meal. Honestly, I'm not too sure what really changes about it. I'm pretty sure it has bacon on it or something. Yeah, it definitely has bacon. I don't know. It looks to be just like a normal quarter pounder with bacon on it, some barbecue sauce that I didn't order. I just ordered the meal, so it must have came with the meal.
Then I dipped them into barbecue sauce.
And just a regular fry. The fries are quite good though. Yeah, I don't think there's any like special sauce on it or anything. Well, there might be barbecue or ketchup and mustard, I don't know. Let's find out though. It's honestly really good. I wasn't sure about the bacon part first, but it's super good. Like, wow. Like, I usually get the normal, like, quarter pounder or Big Mac. I'm pretty sure this beats it. Like, it's honestly super good. It might just be because I'm super hungry right now and I haven't eaten anything, but it truly is really good. I kind of wish they made it like an adult Happy Meal or something, where it had like a cool looking box, maybe came with a toy. But I understand, I mean, honestly, it's not too like, it's honestly not different. It's really just a side of regular medium fries, barbecue sauce, a quarter pounder with some bacon on it. At least that's what it seems like to me. I don't know if I'm missing out on something, but here's the very last bite of my Travis Scott burger. Overall, guys, definitely not a bad burger. Probably one of my favorite things that I've had at McDonald's. I might go back for it. Definitely really nice. I mean, it was good. I kind of wish they had like something different about it. Like, I don't know, it sounds kind of dumb, like a different box, like I said earlier, or something to kind of make the experience like more memorable, you know, like something like maybe a cup or something. I don't know, but definitely really good. If you guys haven't tried it out yet, I might suggest doing so. All right, guys, so I have some packages here. I believe they're all biohacks. There's 3 packages here. They seem to all be from, I want to say like I don't know. They're from Foot Sites, that's all I know. I checked out 15 pairs or so, but unfortunately some are on the same profile. So obviously I'm probably not gonna get those. But I would imagine I would get like maybe 10 pairs, hopefully. That would be nice. Shipping was actually relatively quick on these. They dropped Saturday, and it's now Tuesday that I'm getting them in. Oh, this is the grade school size. Wow, these are interesting to say the least. Not really my type of shoe. I mean, they're very colorful. I could definitely see them doing good. There's like bright pink inside. Dang, that is very bright. The green sole, not really my style, like I said. But if you with it, I mean, I can't blame you. So like I said, we have a 4.5 youth. These might be all of my youth sizes. I'm not too sure. I'll check StockX after this clip, and we'll see how good they're doing. Oh, this is definitely not a Jordan 1. Okay, so I actually got lucky. You guys didn't see this on stream or in Life of Reseller, actually. I checked out a Yeezy 700. I don't even remember where it was. It was some like Shopify site. It was low-key like weird. It was a low-key site. Box looks kind of weird, actually. I think the 700 is not like in the middle. I don't know, I could be tripping. But I checked it out manually with Saber autofill. Shout out Saber. But wow, these are actually dope. These are sick. I was not sure about these at first, but size 10, so cool. They're honestly super clean. They actually glow in the dark, like with the little like rubber right here. Very, very cool. I honestly like the design of it. It's something new. We haven't really seen it before. Definitely cool design. Personally, I don't know if I could rock these, but I'd definitely hold on to them for a while. Oh, and they also have the separate laces like the last 350s did. All right, so the next box we have, guys, appears to be from a Foot Site. I don't know where it's from. Hopefully it's another biohack. I'm pretty sure it'd be. I don't know what else it would be, but I don't know nowadays. So this looks like a bigger size. This is a size 9 biohack. Again, not really my thing. Definitely looks cool. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a cool design, definitely something new. Just not my style. But again, guys, really cool shoe. Honestly, I would probably hold these. They're definitely like an out there design. So I can definitely see them going up if you guys have pairs. I'm gonna check on StockX right now and see exactly what they're at. All right, so the 700 in size 10 is at $365. I paid $265, excuse me, no, I did not pay $265. I paid like $210. So definitely some pretty good resale value there. Let me check about the biohacks. So for the grade school size 4.5, I paid $150 for it. Resale on that's $230 right now. And then for the size 9, those are sitting at like $270 right now. So not a bad markup. I definitely think over time they're gonna go up. So if you guys have pairs, I would highly suggest holding them.
Wonder who all these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumble, dude.